Dr. Agnes talked about this very interesting project done by Habib University students. It is also an interdisciplinary project. So let's talk to Habib University students today. First, I would like you all to introduce yourself.
I am Sayyida Ifra Fahim. I'm in my third year and I'm doing social development and policy.
Adab, my name is Umar Chaudhry. I'm also a student of Social Development and Policy in Habib, and I'm in my third year as well.
Hello, my name is Frazeen Fareed. I'm also an SDP student in my third year.
So my first question is to you, Ifra.
Tell us about your project. Walk us through your project.
So our project was about installing solar panels at Habib University. It was a part of a course by Dr. Agnes Afzal. The course was Environmental and Natural Resource Economics. So we all understand that fighting climate change is the need of the hour. And keeping that in mind, we came up with this project, a sustainable project, and we wanted to introduce renewable energy. And we specifically wanted to start from Habib only. We used satellite images to get an idea of the space, and then we basically did a cost-benefit analysis. The initial cost of installing solar panels is really high. That makes solar panel installation not very easy. With the help of the cost-benefit analysis, we got to know that we will reach a break-even point by year 6. And after that, we will start to get returns. And this would not only help us produce renewable energy, but we would also be able to generate revenues by selling the electricity that would be produced.
Thank you, Ifra. Frazeen, you're a junior at Habib University. My question to you is that how the resources at Habib and your experience helped you carry on this project?
So first of all, I'll start with how my experience has shaped me to think about this project in the first place. So since the beginning, being a social development policy student myself, my time at Habib has been quite fruitful in thinking critically about the environment around us and becoming more aware of our surroundings. This is the reason why I got interested in taking courses like Introduction to Sustainability in my first semester and Environmental and Natural Resources in my third semester, which helped me to shape my thought process to inculcate this notion of a sustainable future. So this is the reason why we decided as a group to build on this project because this is a sequel to that train of thought. The Office of Academic Affairs greatly helped us and assisted us in our project. They actually provided us with valuable information that was very helpful in our cost-benefit analysis, and that is the reason we were able to produce this holistic project.
Omar, what are the future prospects of this project?
For I think Habib itself, for the students, I think it's a good opportunity for them to perhaps study in an environment where they know that at least a part of their their electricity use consumption comes from renewable energies. It is something which I think is at the core of Habib's values, the using principles which we know about. This whole project was especially useful considering that, increasingly we are moving towards, the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations, making sure that our country, or indeed we as a species, are able to live with nature as a part of nature. So this kind of training in understanding how we can perhaps use our education and tools which are taught over here in Habib to perhaps further those objectives, I think that is something that's very advantageous for us once we enter what we would call the job market, or if we want to further our academic career.
Thank you, Ifra, Umar, and Frazeen, for taking out your precious time and explaining your project in detail. Thank you.